Hello everyone, welcome to the Mon TV once again. Today I'm on a trip to visit a father and a brother who is doing so well in the farming business. This particular man, as everybody is using chemicals to farm, somebody told me secretly that this particular man doesn't use chemicals when it comes to farming. He farms yams, maize, cassava, and a whole lot of crops. So today I'm here inside Bayansi, and then where you are looking at, where I'm standing right now, down there is a community there called Bayansi. Bayansi. If you know Northern Region or Anumba South, this particular place is called Bayansi. And then on top there is where you come through when you're coming from Wulensi. Wulensi is on the top there, you understand? So this is where his farming, he does his farming. As you can see, he has a lot of, he has a very big farm. He has a very big farm where he grows his, or where he farms his yams. As you can see, the yams are nicely growing. And as I said, he doesn't use chemicals at all. So he's over there. Let's go and meet him, and then we'll have a word with him. And then please, after this video, those of you who are interested in getting organically grown or planted yams, I think just pick my number, WhatsApp me, and then I'll lead you guys to this particular man. So without saying much, let's go to the man or to my father for him to have, so we'll have a chat with him. Everyone, once again, as I said, here is my father who is doing so well. So right now, I'm going to speak Dagbani with him. You understand? When we are done, I'll do the translation for you. But don't solo ayule.
Ilo Usman.
Now, now, Kaina tenden.
Ila Wulensi.
Okay. So I'm piloko the yumalambo.
Mlam yuma makanle.
Bato anto boseleti anto try katinya.
Kama yung pihnu ko yung balang. Namanya za abla kapil koma.
I see. So I'm piloko kama bomba kazan pili.
Yakul jam bensi apil nyuya kazan pil ko.
Naam.
Warsin kafa gwanda korle bila. Nasin kafa ma mi karkom na nyang maramano ko nuna ma. Dinya songsam biendong ngulani to kongar lela.
So kama yunupune be ya pune ay ko kama ike sala kan toko.
No korsiama kama ekarba ayobu. Ekarban
Devano. I see. So bombo ka kora.
Ko nyamani banchi.
So anto you kama puni titi.
Yaman banchi ni kawana.
I see.
Kan korbon.
I see. And then abo sana akorla nuni. So that means that abo bahar tim malama.
Manzim batim.
Ha.
Bahatim.
I see. Wait, so be me mala pumpon so kan la fast ko ma ni ka ba tim ma so kama like temti education be kama timma mane no de ko ma wala kadbe.
Ma no borsiam ya den ce kan ko nuna ma. Njebe ne kama mbandira ma timbe din. Mboni mbandira ma malla sabta nzangtama.
Okay.
Mana murki kati dirka mala lafi.
Okay. So ayi kama so rinchika mala kama pumpon na nyama akuzana son beautiful de mala so kala timman che kada sandma.
Timman na bala ma nyua di bitilla la.
Okay.
No kul song ni nyama de bakira.
Okay. So kai timma mene nunu ko man kama jang pa kama le arpa
dan di la arpa
because I ana mala timma yusu ma bela fast gare ay zanu kuma ay yusu mampo na zanko
timma yusu ma ya nya karba da mal soci nguna to man sun kulgeli
bonje ka su
man jela la timma
bonje ka anto titre
barnam beden
kama bana kama
wala damani na barna beden ma timma inti atan kul yisna nge bizan kana zumo abama ma pa ma dolte da bien
da kan la
dolti la kani to amma pumpo dolti ma ya ya dolti ma ya ya agbame yi kullihi timama bin ya har ma den ta dolti ma na to zo den den
ba to karam bala ma so akamara mbongo ma yun kama ma puni then anto ya kama like mami shawa nyoro pambiene bo borla la bendira ma abang labo so yelemba la gumbe kumasi gumbe akra gumbe lolo kam jimba fila dantama akamara mbongo
to no bolshem ya kama bambe kumasi bambe akra bambe yapulun ma tambal nima man de bod la customer kama mangu ya tumda mangu ya tumdu ka tuma ma kin kureti zan chang mun de zo customer kan bora de kalan galen la bitim ma lerbe vela man jeli la basia dem bien bala
to ayete na kor la banki ba amet to cha banki ma she kan tinya dem be she so by the way before we go there we are going to ask him the types of yams he has so I pan the mala nyu kamale
laba ko bieni manga bieni
okay so anto wote kama so bien obo mi laba ko kama valma ambition be nyu wa valma ambition anto wote kama differences mana bi
to mboya anyo ngoma na wa ambala
na wow okay
nyu warambala
okay
warambala
okay
ngoma nyu warambala
okay okay
ngoma mi nyu manga mbala
okay
de me sango masa
okay
den sango sa den samasa
okay
laba ko mbala
okay
lalambala
pero atento cha banchi mashi
banchi mambo sa
bela ngopolo
ndino ku betu masa
ngaticha
tento pro ngoma cha
okay tutu leke Okay, guys, we are now at his cassava farm and they want to talk more. As I said, when we are done, I'll do the translation for you in English, you understand? So, abanchi mambongoma. So, like, is it that dengba ababa balawa?
The zaman babahatim. Bisha kamambano timlen.
I see. I see. So, bele mala banchima different types mbek ma anto wo de kama banchima types ma be. The types ma mala different type ayu ma mano mo mala be different
to anyero mboma sakuro banchi mbala den torla sakuro ngoma torla sakuro
okay
ngoma de torla sakuro
okay
donc na ku biri nguli de ngoti sa zalen torla sakuro
okay I see so kangome nye
ngoma me den nguna te pierre le kab nang de gale nang de bonema
to pio kanam za
de za de to tum
okay so am bosena abu used timma den ton nan kamel problems bela kama problems kama la pade kama problems kama den sa kama wala nya problems
ma never use le ma man problems kunya la kama den de nye nan kan din yon ye song ma kobden si ama ku shi ngo ma nguna ntuma ye ye
okay
be oda pa kobo ni to zan pa korba zan nan la kob ma ne ka ko da ma ni korma ya naran ma da palbin bongo ma mun ba mi zan korma da ma ne kulun ci ama ne kul yisina hal zan kana hal ne zungo doro ba makan doni
I see
doro na jin ba makan kul doni
amazing use team
ko nti adon kul yina hal ne zungo manjin kul dal ba mi di dambo da manjin mi di dambo
okay so wala kan yel bon use wala kan yel ba
ben use le ma
ben use team
ben use le ba nguna kan yel ba she ma so kam no su yo
la nguna
so kam no su
so wala kan bendir le ma mi wala kan mana yete bendira ma
bendira ma ngun ya kan yen yel she man ko hadlan ko hamma ngun yina te da
Naam.
da man yen yel de man lan gensir lan
Agresor
yirba
lasso. Naam.
me bu gensir so
Naam. Naam. Naam.
man mal lan ko hamma yen zan ko he
Okay.
okay
Okay.
de zo man bu gensir so
Mm.
so kan mal la osu yubu duniya ngu
Languna.
de zo man so ngela la timma
Okay.
so
So guys, this is it. I think I'll translate it, but I'll have to take you guys to the farm, and then you see how the farm how the produce in the farm here are growing very fast. As I said, he said he doesn't use chemicals at all to farm, because he personally doesn't like those kind of chemicals because of the side effects that they do have. You understand? And then he has taken me to where his cassavas are being planted, and then as you can see, everything is going very fine. You understand? So he's saying that wherever you are and then you want plants or yams, or let's say cassavas, yams which are planted without adding chemicals, just take our number and then we'll do business with you. You understand? If you want yams or cassava which are not chemically affected, just come or just pick the number, call me, and then I'll lead you to him inside Ulinzi. As I said, we are inside Bayansi. You understand? So guys, thank you for watching, and then I think we'll see you another time, but I'll take you guys through the farm and then you see how it is. Thank you. Okay guys, now to summarize what this hardworking farmer has just told me, according to what he said he has been farming for the past 50 years now, and then mostly he doesn't use chemicals in the farm. He has been using his organic way of farming because of the effects that chemicals do have on the plants or on the crops. So he doesn't use chemicals to farm at all. And then his appeal to people who are into farming is that he needs help. If he can get help from people so that they can do the farming, the plowing for him, the rest of it he's going to do it by himself. So this is the appeal he's giving or he's asking for. You understand? So if you are somewhere and then you are someone who is interested in helping someone who is farming without adding chemicals, this is one particular man you have to call and then give a helping hand to. He's located inside he's in Willingsea, but the farm is located at Payansi. You understand? So please guys, if you're someone who's into eating organic foods, this is one man you should help. And then the other thing too is, if you are somewhere and then you need organic crops to buy, especially yams and cassava or maize, just pick the number on the screen and just call me, or just call and then I will link you up to him. You understand? So this is the story of a farmer in Willingsea who is doing marvelously well when it comes to organic yam plantation or organic farming. You understand? So thank you for watching, and then please don't forget to subscribe, comment and share. And as I said, he needs help. Let's give him a helping hand so that he continue to do more than what he is doing. So guys, thank you for watching, and then see you all guys another time. Goodbye.